Hello! In this tutorial I'll teach you how to create your first project with a very simple page. So let's just log in our framework, choose the simple workspace, and the system detects that we currently don't have any project created and asks us to create a new project. So let's type the name of our first project. I'll just type my first project. If you want, you can put a description, a logo, and other options. But for now, let's just keep it simple and click continue. Next, the system will ask us how do we want to build our project. If it is from scratch, where we're going to create our own pages, or if we want to build our project based in pre-built programs. We can see that pre-built programs in our store, where we can install them inside of our projects. We have already blogs, online newspapers, social networks, task managers, and other programs that you can include in your own project. And basically these is like pre-built applications that you can reuse them and change them according with your needs. Additionally, if you want, you can upload your local program if you already have any built before. For now, let's just keep it simple and let's just go back and choose empty projects. Next, we're gonna see the project dashboard. So by default, the system shows a tooltip tour guide to help us understand how to work with the system. So for now, I'll just keep both tours, and now we see the project dashboard that we created. So in here, we already have a default page created, but let's just create a new page by clicking in this button, add new, and type the page name. So I'll just call it test, and I'll just click in this button, create. Next, the system will ask us, okay, how do you want to build your page? Do you want to build the page from scratch, or do you want to use some pre-built page that we already have in our store? So we're gonna choose the user-defined page, since we're gonna build from scratch a very simple page, a static page. But if you want to use a pre-built page, let me just show you what we currently have. So in our store we have portfolio pages, corporative pages, we have pages with articles, with events, we have pages with a bunch of different things. Additionally, if you want, you can go to the advanced features and you can go to this setting here and you can clone any page from the web and then start working on based on that page and change that page according with your needs if you want to. Basically, you just need to put your URL of that page and click continue, and automatically the system will do all of the rest for you. But for now, let's just go back and choose user-defined page. Now the system will open the page editor of the page that we created, which was the test page. And again, it appeared a tour guide explaining how the page editor works. So I'll just skip the tour. And next, the system will ask us, okay, how do you want to design the page? You want to design from scratch, or do you want to use some pre-built template we already have in our store? So we're going to choose the empty canvas, but let me just show you what are the templates. So let's just click browse templates. Currently we don't have any template installed, so we needed to import new templates. And we can see here that we have a bunch of templates in our store, where basically you can click in a template, you can preview it, you can play with it, just to understand what is a template. And then if you like that template, you can install it and work based on that template. For now, let's just go back and let's just choose the empty canvas. So currently we are on the page editor, where we see here our canvas area, and that's in here that we're gonna start building our page. So let's just drag and drop some widgets here. So we can drag the header with this, it can be this one. We can just drag a carousel below it. We can drag some items lists, and we can add some footer. This is just to show you how simple it is to build your own static page. And then in here, if you want, you can put this in bold, change the color. If you want, you can put here, change. All of this is editable. In here it's a link, you can point this link to some other page. Example. In here we have an image. We can, let's just convert, this image type is SFG, so let's just convert it to EMG, where in here we can just upload the logo of our company. Let's just upload some image that I have in my local computer. Automatically is here. Let's choose that image, and as you can see, the image appears right away. Here I can put some width here. Let's put it 100. Okay. Okay, looks better. We can put some margin. Something like this, and we can save. And now we can preview the page that we just created, and basically this was the page that we just created just by drag and dropping some widgets. All of this is editable, so we didn't edit, we just basically added this link here, and we put some image here where this goes to the index, the link. These other links we didn't edit, so they don't go anywhere, they are disabled. But basically it's just to show you how simple it is to create your own projects and your own page. And that's it, so thank you very much.